Chef. Please subscribe to my YouTube channel.
Like, share, subscribe, and leave a comment. Saucy in the kitchen, who wanna eat? Nana, she the chef, y'all wanna meet. Quickie meals, you can all enjoy it home. I can sense that you're hungry, you are not alone. Like, share, and subscribe, don't hold your breath. Stop what you doing, watch Nana the Saucy Chef.
Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. This is Nana the Saucy Chef. Today we're going to be making meatless green split pea soup. The ingredients that we need today are 8 cups of chicken broth, 2 large carrots chopped, 1 medium onion diced, 2 celery ribs chopped, 3 large garlic cloves minced, 1/2 teaspoon of onion powder, 1/2 teaspoon of garlic powder, 1 tablespoon of liquid smoke, 1/2 teaspoon of ground black pepper, 2 tablespoons of olive oil, and 16 ounces of green split peas. Now we're going to open our peas. We're going to place them onto a plate. And we're just going to sift through them. And you want to make sure there's no gravel or any small stones. And any discolored peas, you can go ahead and remove them. After you're done, you can go ahead and rinse your peas. Now to a pot of boiling water, we're going to add our peas in. Once your peas are in your pot, you want to let them boil for 2 minutes. After 2 minutes, you want to turn off your heat. We're just going to place our lid over top and we're going to let them soak for a half hour. Next, in a heated Dutch oven, I'm going to add my 2 tablespoons of olive oil. I'm going to let that come to temperature. Now I'm going to add in my onion, my carrots, and also my celery. We're going to let that saute for about 5 to 7 minutes. Now we're going to add in our minced garlic. Let that saute for about 1 minute. Now you want to add in your 8 cups of chicken broth. You can go ahead and give that a stir. Now you can go ahead and add in your garlic powder, your onion powder, ground black pepper, and the liquid smoke. Go ahead and mix that until it's well combined. We're going to let it come up to a boil. Guys, you can go ahead now and taste it, and if you need to adjust any of the seasonings, you can. Remember, season it to your liking. After your peas are done soaking, you can go ahead and drain them of all the water. Now we can go ahead and add our peas. Go ahead and give it a stir. If it begins to boil, you can go ahead and lower your heat to low. We're going to cover it and we're going to let it cook for 1.5 to 2 hours. Okay guys, so here we have it, our meatless green split pea soup. I hope you guys enjoyed this video. If you did, please come back. Please like and subscribe. Thank you guys so much for watching. Feel free to leave a comment. Don't forget to hit the notification bell. And until next time, this is Nana, the Saucy Chef. Y'all hungry yet?